So the chicken liver is washed. I think you need to wash 4 or 5 times after cutting. So see, I cut into strips, not into dices, because I want it like that way. Then I'm using mushrooms as well. Mushroom and liver should cook at the same time, and I cut the thickness like this, equal size of the liver, so it should cook together. So just put it in. Now ginger garlic paste, half a tablespoon. Turmeric powder, half a teaspoon. Chilli powder, 1 tablespoon. Then rice flour, 1 teaspoon. Now adding crushed pepper, quarter of a teaspoon. Salt, you can adjust by taste. Some salt are too salty. Now add in some sliced onions. The slice is slightly thicker. Now add in oil. This is plain oil. Add in curry leaf. Now ginger. Ginger is thinly sliced. Now add in sliced green chilies. Now mix everything together. So the mix is ready. So just leave it for half an hour before we cook. So now the pan is hot. I put up to 1 tablespoon of oil, because when you throw in the liver, it should not catch on the bottom. That's the only reason. Otherwise, the marinade has oil as well. So now just chuck it in, everything. Leave it like this for at least 2 minutes so it sears nicely one side. Then we start mixing. So now just mix it up. One side is cooked nicely. Just turn it, mix it. So now just add in the chicken stock water. Just cook it till it gets thicker and the liver gets cooked completely. So you can see that leaving the blood and it gets completely cooked. So cook it like this for another 3 minutes. So now to finish off, coriander leaf, just break and then put it in. Okay, good enough. Mix it. That's ready. Now you can plate it up. So now let's plate it up. A nice plate. Put the liver and the mushroom. Some pickled onions. Pickled ginger. Coriander leaf. For a bit of crunchiness, toasted black and white sesame seed.